for my 300 subscribers. And this is how it all started. So now we are taking gondola up there to the top, and at the bottom of it there is a crankworks, so I'm gonna put into crankworks. Crankworks Rotorua in progress. Into the action! Zahamujesz do siebie! So first ride down, and we're going on the next one. You can start with the green one and then you progress. We wanted to go on the red one, so a second in a row, but we went, I don't even know where. I think on a zigzag or something like that, because we couldn't know which way we're going. So now it's just to find out which way can we go. This one's gotta be the green one, and you've got all the other on the other side. We're going for the ultra version, so to the right. And faster! Faster! Move! Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Yeah, boy! All on the outside! Oh no! No! Let's push it! Push it more! On the outside! And I'm winner! On the outside! And into the colors! Into the rainbow! Definitely loads of fun! We've got 5 rides, this was our 3rd one, so still 2 to go. No! What happened to your eye? A fly? You got a fly? Let's go! This is how I hear when Kasia is talking to me.
Yosh, yosh, yosh. Doo-doo-doo. Boo-doo-boo-doo.
Direct contact with Unit 1, over.
Damn you! Head into the tunnel! She actually won! And how was it to win? Let's go! No! That was brutal. Yeah, you crushed me into the side. So this was our last one, and we're off back to the gondola down there, and maybe I'll pop into Speed and Style just for a minute. And it's definitely fun, but twice I almost over-tipped because I think that they've got 3 wheels.